Java, and I will go with Python because I have prepared on Python. So I will tell you, Python is an open source platform, and it is easy for beginners because it have clean syntax and also used in programming, in data science, machine learning. In AI, we can also visualize data using multiple libraries like TensorFlow and all.
Okay. Yeah. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amol Patel. I'm from I'm doing my bachelor's in mathematics, physics, and chemistry, and now I'm pursuing my MC with overall 8.18 CGPA. Okay. Now, my friend says, he preferred to the Java because he's a
Preferred Python.
Sorry, he's preferred Python because it's the libraries and all this. But I think, as compared to the Python, Java is the most scalable and clean syntax because in Python there are indentations. So if you have to any type of indentation, it will be used here. But in Java, they have a particular syntax of the semicolons or the curly braces. That's why I think Java is a more suitable or the scalable or used to used to. Or also one thing is Java is a thread safe. That's why as compared to the Python is also thread safe. But in Java, there are the string pool constant. String pool constant is the concept. There we use for the store of strings. In their in strings, we have to take from the string or the input from the user directly cannot access. That's why the multiple companies or the organization or the banking organization I use Java as for the thread safe and the multi. That's why I'm here.
Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Myself Mithila Patil, and I'm pursuing my master's in computer application and graduated in bachelor's in computer science from Shivaji University. So I would like to give my point of view to Python. As my friend said, I like to add points like Python is a object-oriented programming language, but it's not completely object-oriented programming language, wherein it is emerging in health sectors or AI components like in our health where virtual visualizations are used. So I think using different libraries like NumPy, Pandas, it helps to generate various charts in various factors like health sector, education. So my point of view is Java is better, but best is the Python. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amrit Raj, and I'm from D.Y. Patil International University. And I would also like to say about Java. The main feature of Java is the one WORL, write once and run anywhere. It provides different environmental libraries like JVM and JDK with strong roots concept. And we can also say codes are written in very structured manner. So I would say I would prefer Java rather than Python. That's it from my side.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Siddharth Deshwant Chauhan, and I am pursuing my MCA at DYK and I have graduated from DYK College of Commerce, Nasik. And my point of view about the Python, because the Python is a simple to use and easy to learn language, I can say that. And Python is a dynamically typed language, where Java is a statically typed. And Python is going through the AI services and all of the services like full stack development, all of this extra we can use Python anywhere. So we can morely write less and use better than Java. The Python. Next.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Shubham Raj Singh, and I am pursuing my final year from BTech CSE from UIPIU. And I would also like to add points on Python. As my friend said, this Python is very easy to learn, and I accept this. And even in my according to me, Python provides more accuracy than Java. And also by using the framework like PyQt6, we can get more user-friendly outputs and the accurate outputs. And I can say behalf of my X projects, as I'm using this framework like Qt6, so I get the very accurate and the clean output by using Python. And so I think, according to me, Python is better.
What is his name? I missed.
Shubham Raj Singh.
Next. Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ruchita Falke. I am from Satara. I am currently pursuing a master's degree, and I have completed my bachelor's degree in Shivaji University. I talk to Python language. It is used in data science, machine learning, and it uses libraries like KRS, TensorFlow, and NumPy, Pandas. It's um, accurate and clean code, and it is dynamic language, and easy to learn. Um, Reduce the code, like Java is more writing codes. And that's all.
Yeah. Next. Yeah, please. Go ahead.
So, hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Karve Road. I am from CSE, International University students. So, basically, I go through the Python as compared to the Java. Basically, Python is easy to understand and easy to implement. So, there are many libraries like NumPy, Panda, MATLAB. So by using this as compared to in Java, there are many classes, inheritance, polymorphism. Like they are very hard to implement, hard to understand. So basically, if we take the Python, there are many libraries we can just use and go through the we can use implement, easy to implement. So as compared to Java, Python is better.
Fine. According to you. Anybody else wants to say anything? Yes, please go ahead.
So, my name is Shubhankar Deshmukh. Currently, I am completing computer engineering at DYK. I would do prefer Java because Java is the most secure version than Python, I think, because it doesn't use the concept of pointers and multiple inheritance. And personally speaking, I do think that debugging Java code is more easier than Python code because it is a more structured way of writing a code like using semicolons, etc. It doesn't provide me with indentation errors like Python.
Next. Anybody wants to speak? Yes, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashutosh Nanaji. I am from MCA background. So I prefer Python language because the rise of AI, ML, and data science, the Python is most preferred language by coders. And when we implement features like chatbot or other we want to integrate our application in artificial intelligence, the Python is easy to implement that feature. In Java, we can't do now. We call API object. And in Java, when we go for data science operation, it go harder than Python.
So, yes.
Good afternoon. My name is Satyam Jadhav. Now I am pursuing a DYP. Now I am pursuing Master of Computer Application. Now I prepare Python. My friend Amal says in Python identification area. He said Java is a secure language. We can secure from Python also from framework like Fast API in backend.
Some of my friends were told about Java, but yes, you are right. But if you want to work with work in machine learning and AI, we have to Python is best because we can use different. We have to use different models. Like recently, I used a CNN model for my project for deep learning, deep tech detection project, where I customly train my model and use in the project.
So I think all my friends say prefer most of the friends have preferred Python, but I think Python is older than Java. But why in market Python Java is a high to the using. Like after JavaScript, the Python will use more strongly as compared to the Python. Because the reason is the Python is slower than Java to the compile the code or the execution time of the code or the time complexity. You can say that. Also in Java, in Python, multiple inheritance are supported, but in Java are not supported. But I think its ambiguity are there in Java, but there if compiler will not understand which method will we have to execute, that is the good formula I think, because multiple methods are come together and execute a single task simultaneously, compiler will confuse, and this is face to crash the code or the security purpose. So I think Python is reduce this ambiguity concept in Python. But I think this point is also important. Multiple inheritors are not support in Java, but it is used to the security purpose. And also one thing is say that the debugging. If my friend says debugging in as compared to the Java Python, Java debugging is simpler. And also one thing is the garbage collection. In Java there are no pointer concept. That's why in garbage collection in Java there are automatically garbage collector. So that's why we have to neglect any type of code also there. And we can say that why Java? Java because in C++, C++ version, next version is a Java. As and my within a friend he says that Python is not a fully object oriented. I think Java is also not a fully object oriented because there are the primitive data types and also. But in Java, execution of the hoops is a more complex, more scalable and useful. There are encapsulation, abstraction methods are actually properly work as compared to the Python. Also, multi-threading. Multi-threading is concept are over there. In Python, we use multi-threading, but lock protocols like deadlock concept is not actually proper working over there. As compared to the Python, Java, there are fully handle this multi-threading also they are used, like handle the deadlock or the simultaneous execution of the process. There are multiple things. I think that's why I'm saying Python is a better, Java is better than Python.
For using the Java, he said that first we go through the C++. Like as compared to that, we can directly use the libraries in Python. We can take the projects like it is time taking and vast syllabus is Java. So I prefer that Python is the best. Like we can just explore the libraries and we can
I do.
Sorry.
I do also agree with that.
Okay. Yeah, who wants to say? Yeah, please.
According to the emerging technology, Python is good, but for deep knowledge, I guess Java is better. Because as you can see, there are strong oops concept like polymorphism, which provides method overriding and method overloading, which is good and provides strong security to the codes.
But here we can use the TensorFlow, NumPy, Matplotlib.
Yeah, like that
which
is good.
secure
Like I added the point. Like for the emerging technology, it is good. But if you want deep knowledge, then I guess Java is better.
So, but I think we can say that the security level in Python, there we use multiple libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, or anything in AI, deep learning, machine learning. But I know Java is not suitable for these things. But I think we have to develop any secure applications like banking applications. They have to need a more security as compared to other. So that's why. But we are not using a Python because of Python. Many chances to hack or the crash the system or the crash the code as compared to the Java, as compared to the Python, Java in Python as compared to Java. So that's why I'm saying Java is more suitable.
I would like to add a point. As he said that Python has indentation errors and all. So we need to write line by line code in Java. It's comparatively less in Python as there are many frameworks which we can apply to it and we reduce the code intensity in the program, which helps to visualize the code. And the point is the optimization of the lines.
Yeah. As my many friends says, the Python is a compatible language and Java is the most secure language, as some says. But I can say that the both languages are best at their point of view, and both languages have their uses and their own practices on their own sets. And Python includes like data science, AI, machine learning, deep learning, and something like visualization techniques, pre-processing techniques are the use of the data analytical tools and data scientist tools, I can say that. And Java is using full stack development kits and Android development and etc. where the Java is used. And Java is based for basically the language where we can develop our complex knowledge thinking, and Python is based in the use of their completely doing the work, the completely do the work on their libraries and based on the language based architecture. I can say that.
All right. Anybody else wants to conclude?
I would like to add point to him as he said that Java is used for technically sound people. Python is used in a smarter way, which where we use libraries and various kinds of components, which helps to gain knowledge, but in a smarter way than Java.
All right.
Can I?
Yes.
Okay, one last point.
We can say that if collab each like a Java and Python, if you have to develop any particular application or the website, if you have to collaborate each Python and Java, some Python libraries include in Java, like we have to use machine learning tools or any machine learning application or the like any application AI application. If you use Java plus Python, then it will be the security and the optimizations are including each other. Then the applications more reach. I think this Java Python's library and the security level of the Java we have to include each other. Then I think develop a good application as compared to the single language.
If you're participating, please have a seat outside. We will announce the results in the next 2 minutes.